Hello everybody, it's Anna coming to you from my home office. Happy Monday everybody. I announced recently that I was going to be doing a 30-day live series and today is day one, so I'm super excited to be here. I did a 30-day live series, I think it was back in April, so I'm really excited to come back again and do another 30 days to help inspire you to transform your lives. It's all about the manifestation. Hi Rabina, hi Owens, good to see you. Hi Melanie. So for those of you that don't know me, I said my name's Anna and I am a manifesting coach and I help entrepreneurial women let go of the fears and the doubts that are holding them back from manifesting their desires. So hi, who else have we got on here? So give me some hearts and give me some likes. That'd be awesome to see everybody. So today I wanted to start, I thought, okay, how am I going to start? Well, how am I going to kick off the 30-day manifesting Facebook lives? And one thing that's really important that people aren't really aware of is, now you have to be super vigilant about this. So what do you need to be super vigilant about so in order to start to manifest your desires? Now, scientists say that we have about 60,000 thoughts a day. Now, that's crazy. Hi, Belinda. Good to see you. I know 60,000 thoughts a day is absolutely crazy. When you think about it, I don't know how it's possible, but our minds are always ticking over. They're just going tick, 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 tick. And 98% of the thoughts that you have one day, you generally have the next day as well. Our thoughts keep repeating themselves. But here's the thing. The majority of the thoughts that we have are beating up on ourselves, about noticing what's not working, noticing our struggles, noticing things that we don't like in our reality or in ourselves or in our jobs or anything like that. We think about lack. So for example, if you get a bill that you have to pay, our thoughts, generally most people's thoughts are, I have to pay a bill. Or we have thoughts about lack of self-love, lack of self-acceptance. Hey Adam, good to see you. So we have judgments, we have doubts, we think about the things that we want as though they're somewhere else. So this is our struggle. Our struggle is our subconscious thinking that we're not aware of. So in order to be able to move forward in the direction of the things that you love, hi Melissa, the things that you desire in your reality, in your life, you must be vigilant. You must be the gatekeeper to your thoughts and to your mind. Now, I want you to pull yourself up on that. I want you to just sort of sit back and just start thinking about this. Whenever you sort of start having a negative thought or a negative feeling or a negative emotion or a judgment, pull yourself up on that. It takes practice. When you master your mind, you master reality. This is so vital, and your thoughts create things. Your thoughts create reality. And our default patterning, it's not your fault, it's not our fault. Our default patterning is negativity. Our default patterning, it's just a way that of self-preservation. Our subconscious mind is like a radar that just looks for things to be cautious. Hi Christian, looks for things that could be dangerous. So anything new, anything outside of our comfort zone to the subconscious mind is dangerous. So be vigilant about your thinking. Pull yourself up on that. When you think of a negative thought, yeah, awesome Christian. When you think of a negative thought, stop. Just stop and go inward and just discover your mind, discover your subconscious programming, discover what voice is playing in the background. The voice of negativity, the voice of the ego is the loudest and the strongest. It's the voice that holds you back. It's the voice that tells you you're not good enough. It's the voice that says you can't do this, you can't have this, you're too old, you're too young, you're not educated, you're whatever. So pull yourself up on that. It's the same with judgment. I've been pulling myself up on this lately too, because I will look at a person and instantly my mind goes to who they are, what race they are, or how do they look, etc. I'm now cancelling that out, and I'm starting to see, I'm deliberately making a conscious decision to see people as just a person, just as another consciousness, as a soul sister or a soul brother, having this lifetime, this physical experience, the same time that I'm having that on. And it takes vigilance. It takes conscious awareness, and it takes a lot of work. And then when you stop judging, when you stop responding that way, and when you stop allowing the ego to be the loudest and the strongest voice, something happens. There's negativity subsides. And as this negativity subsides, you open up your internal being, you open up your awareness, you open up your energetic field, and you're more open to surround, or to drawing things into your reality that you desire. So be vigilant, be the gatekeeper of your mind. What is your mind? What's the mind chatter that's going on? Awareness before change. You cannot change, I always say this, you cannot change what you're not aware of. If you're not aware of your subconscious programming, if you're not aware of your subconscious inner dialogue, if you're not aware of that, how can you change it? So the first step is to become conscious, become aware of what voices are playing in your head. What negative thoughts do you keep thinking about? What are your beliefs, and what are you thinking about in terms of your abundance, or of your career, or family, or love situation? If you switch it, just cancel it out. Just cancel. Sometimes when I coach people, I sometimes talk to people about, because when their first thought is a negative thought, and then they might even speak the negative thought or the negative words, and then they go cancel. I had a coach once that was saying that when we were in a session, he would say something that he thought, oops, I shouldn't have said that, and he'd just go cancel. So you could energetically cancel a thought. Just say cancel. I think it's fun. But be aware, be conscious of what's happening in your inner language, your inner dialogue. When you understand, when you can hear it, then you can silence it. When you can silence it, then you start to take control and power of your reality, because then you imprint the words and the thoughts that you want to create, not the ones that you don't want to create. Here's the thing, most of us are thinking what we don't want because we're responding to what we're seeing on the external world. Hey, May. So we're responding to what we're seeing on the external world, and then it's just like this vicious cycle. It's like this, the hamster on the wheel, or the mouse on the wheel. We're just running around in circles and circles and circles, and we're saying, why isn't our life changing? It's the internal dialogue that creates your reality. Thoughts create things. Thanks, darling. May had done a coaching program with me, the gorgeous May from Queensland. So be conscious of your internal dialogue, because you can change it. You are in control of your reality. You are in control of your thoughts. And the untamed, I think Deepak Chopra put it this way. He said, how did he say it? He said something about thoughts are like untamed horses. They run wild in the mind. And it's true. If you're not conscious of them, if you're not aware of them, then they run you. They rule your reality. Thank you, May. That's beautiful. They rule your reality. Thoughts rule your reality. Untamed thoughts rule your reality. So be vigilant. Be the gatekeeper of your mind, and listen to what's happening on. Cancel, shift, change, silence that inner voice. If your mind is projecting or talking about lack, or how am I going to pay this bill, or why do I never get success, or why is this happening to me, etc., shift it, change it. If you're struggling paying some bills at the moment, be grateful for the bill, because you have obviously a service or a roof over your head or something that's given you that bill. So be grateful for that. Shift your perspective, shift your reality, shift the way you think about things, and shift your language. So be the gatekeeper of your mind. Silence that those untamed horses, and then start to deliberately think about the things that you want. So be the gatekeeper of your mind. That's how you start to change your reality. That's how you start to pull inward and to control your future. So if you want some help, I do free 20 to 30, sometimes they go a bit longer, manifesting mastery calls. If you want some help with learning how to manifest and to silence that inner voice, then comment me below comment interested below. Let me know where you're tuning in from. That would be awesome to find out, because I have Facebook friends from all around the world, which is beautiful and wonderful. So I will be here again tomorrow for day 2 of the 30-day challenge. If you've got some thoughts or something that you would like me to do a video about, comment below. I'd love to share. I'd love to know what you need help with, so that I can create a video live, a live Facebook live for you, so to hopefully help you. Hello, Susanna. So I will talk to you all again tomorrow, and have an amazing night. Remember this: be the gatekeeper of your mind. Marina, beautiful Marina, so lovely to see you. Okay, so be the gatekeeper of your mind. Be vigilant. Be vigilant of the thoughts that are on autopilot, because they say a lot about what's happening subconsciously. But we'll do that on another video. So comment below if you'd like to jump on a call with me. I also have a Facebook group, Journey to Manifesting. If you're an entrepreneurial woman, if it's for ladies, guys, you can join too if you like, but mostly for women. Come and join us in the group. I'll put the comment down below, and I will see you again tomorrow. Be vigilant of your thoughts. Be the gatekeeper of your mind. See you tomorrow.